Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. This is a daily Forex forecast for 27th and 28th June 2023. So tell me everyone, how are you? I hope you must be doing really well and you must be enjoying your lives. Also your trading will be going on really well. So in this video, especially today, I want to discuss some of these pairs. Let me tell you what I'm going to discuss today is obviously gold US dollar, euro US dollar, pound dollar, New Zealand CAD, Aussie dollar US dollar, dollar CAD, and New Zealand US dollar along with USD CHF. So it's going to be a very nice and fantastic analysis, and obviously fantastic trade opportunities that we can get tomorrow, and most probably the setups will be active till this coming Friday. So overall, very nice and excellent start of the week, I should say, Tuesday, and very nice moves we have seen. Even the intraday performed really well today, right here near 1931, somewhere this zone discussed in previous videos. So gold, like it is in front of me, and just like if you see from 16th June 2023, it is keep going down and down. I mean, if I look at this whole long-term image, obviously I'm not going to discuss that today, but for the sake of this daily opportunity, I should say that this much trend I'm looking at the moment. So gold, obviously 1911 was our level since like the start of May. I was keep discussing that 1911 is going to be a very nice zone for potential buy opportunities, and the buys can go further uh, up beyond the 1960s as well. But during in this previous week, initially my level is somewhere up above 2000 level at the moment, but since this is a daily forecast, so I want to stay with this particular setup. Now if we see right here, the setup is no doubt very nice, and it is moving very well. Even the investors are taking part in this current setup at the moment, and like look at these candles and the way the market lifted up from here. I think and I'm sure this is going to be a very nice and perfect bullish friendly trend correction that later we will be seeing, or market will be giving us a clue that if it is, this is a trend continuation, or if this is just a correction from a drop from 2044, one of my level. So let me quickly adjust this pen right here, and I want to give you a bit of analysis on this particular one. So let's first see it's working. Yes, that's fine. Move on to the chart right here. If you see, very nicely market is dropping from up there. Most of you, if you have like holding sell positions from up there, obviously those were closed right here. If you remember 1911, the level I clearly gave for potential bullish opportunities, and right here it is in front of you. From there the market almost moved around 271 pips overall. So investors no doubt took complete advantage of this one level. Now what's next for tomorrow and for this whole upcoming week? There is the current setup which is showing me, and if I see the H4 of this one, definitely I will be looking at it. Now as per the H4 technical chart and the H1 technical chart, it is clearly standing. Even in the weekly forex forecast video this week, I have clearly mentioned 1920 level that market is going to retest this zone, and today the retest occurred around one around 5 6 7 8 hours 8 hours ago, in the Asian sessions, later Asian sessions it happened. And since then obviously the market is like in a consolidation zone on the H1 and even on the H4. So for tomorrow, no doubt, like if we say this trend is like not even yet established and is not a very like this is not a very mature trend, I should say. And usually when we find such setups which are not mature, because when a setup is matured, a structure is matured, then obviously everyone knows about it and trading it is a little bit of hard task to do. So what I personally do is I find the new formed corrections or trends, and then I trade them. So here obviously some long term, some intraday trades. This one is the from the last week, which is obviously negative, and then in the same last week I took this trade on gold as well, and then obviously from 1911, this is a very long term. So these two trades, this belongs to the daily, and I will be trying to keep playing with these positions during this upcoming week. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, I have still 3 days to go. So overall, clearly gold is showing me an up move, and if the market drops below 1911, then I will not encourage buying. But then obviously if it drops from here, I will not encourage buying. So I will be trying to maybe hedge the position. That is a very long story. For this particular trade setup, if we see 1920.82 is obviously the entry which has got triggered, and the SL is like most probably 1907 somewhere. So anyone who want to trade this particular setup, the take profit can go all the way towards 1948. So a very nice and decent trading opportunity. Anyone who can get it will make full advantage of it. Now if I see the bearish side of the same market, since it went up from my level 1911, that's why I'm holding buy positions, and each time it give me a correction down, I take further buy positions, because I'm long-term trading on the gold. And these daily setups that or daily decisions that I'm going to take, I think it will also be beneficial for the audience. So clear 1920 till 1948, almost around $28 per ounce change in the price of gold. And obviously if it drops, then 1907, 1920, so around $13 per ounce. If it drops, you will be stopped out with just this much loss. So it, in simple words, it means that even if you buy 1 or 10 or 100 ounces, uh, $13 is going to be your risk, and your reward is going to be $28 an ounce. So overall, very nice level. The other thing, specifically for tomorrow, this is so much important. 1930 zone, I'm going to, because since the market is completely bearish, right? Even we have got a failed structure, or maybe a break of structure right here, if you see, followed by a Fibonacci 61.8% retracement. So Yes, overall it's going up, but 1930 tomorrow, this zone in the London or New York session, I will be observing it, so maybe I can take partial profits from the market right here tomorrow. So this is gold US dollar, more on this tomorrow. Now move on to the dollar yen. If you see, dollar yen is clearly like it has broken 142.494 level, and since 2 months I'm keep discussing this level. It's now broken, and potentially this level is going to be a sell zone for me. So now I have to wait for it to either it give me a sort of a drop, and then I will decide. So on the daily, obviously nothing on the H4, nothing, but maybe let's see on the H1. It seems as it will drop a little bit, but I want to stay completely neutral about it. Similarly, pound US dollar, if we see, it has got a very nice level, and no doubt this level I was not looking for any short positions. Right here, when the price was what I discussed was that I have two options. The first one will be either to close my deals, the buy deals at 1.29495, and then wait for a correction to add further buy deals, or accumulate some of my profit in the form of taking a sell trade, which is very advanced, so don't want to go into the details of that. Now specifically, there are some levels which obviously on the daily time frame broken in front of us. We have seen it even in the live stream, we have discussed it. So no doubt it has broken 1.2625 level, and price is sort of like trying to come back right here and retest this zone once again. So it may not be happening, maybe tomorrow, who knows, it may be happening. The technical suggests me that since the price which is standing at this particular moment, I may not be able to do anything right here. Maybe this zone 1.28, this 1.28234 zone can become a further sell zone, but only the lucky traders may get it, because stop is going to be very less in this particular situation. Otherwise, I see that the market will be trying to retest 1.26256 like this. It may get some sort of rejection, maybe because this leg will be established, and 61.8% will be somewhere right here, which I may be discussing it tomorrow. But specifically, if I see at this particular moment, what I see is it has gone into a consolidation zone near 1.26900, and I think it's trying to go back up. So for the day traders out, I want to tell you that wait for this setup to give us something. The precise level as per the technical chart will be uh, a level as per this data I have at the moment, a sell from 1.27853 it suggests, so it can go a bit up, and like in such situations, just 80 pips of SL can give you around 155 pips of TP. So let me draw the situation. It will overall look like this. This whole will become like this whole will become an impulsive wave. This will be a correction 61.8 and 80 pips SL, and this around 155 pips of TP. So the pattern will look something like this: A, B, C and D. Overall, if it hits the SL, I may not be able to do anything, because, and I will not be doing anything, I will just observe the levels, because obviously the long term, if you see the other levels, there is 1.29495 at this particular price point. For intraday, I'm interested in a sell near 1.27853 during the London session and at the start of New York session right here. And I will suggest one buy position from 1.2625 and one from right here 1.25 130 1.25 164 somewhere this zone. So overall, if I see, I look like I see pound dollar coming back down. These will be the two levels which can tell us what it's going to do next. So both of my buy limits from right here and from right here are waiting, and maybe tomorrow if I can get a chance I will try to intraday trade and book some more and further profits. Now if we see this whole H4 market at the moment, there is complete depression and exhaustion in the market at this particular moment when I see these candles and the sentiment behind it. But believe me, sell opportunities at this price point with just 80 pips of SL, I think it makes a complete sense to be taken. Though the probability of this one, let's see, it suggests good probability, but later tomorrow we will see what it's going to do. If there is anything needed or any update needed, I will update you about it. Now let's have a look at the euro US dollar. Euro US dollar, if we see, and especially the daily candle that closed just recently, it is not very satisfactory, but no doubt it is a bullish candle. There was very less volume right here. You see very low volume on this particular candle, because usually on the Mondays the market are very slow. If we see this candle, strong bears and strong bulls from the tail of this candle, right from the lowest point of it. So now what I think obviously is that no doubt even from here euro has got bullish for me, and even from right here if we see, it has became bullish for me from right here. From right here at this zone, you can check back some of my previous videos, you will clearly understand. So this is like now my clearly my buy zone. I live streamed it, I discussed it, I check out the last week and the last week forecast videos, daily ones and live streams. Now obviously for the intraday, maybe if I post this video and someone out of you is watching, there is a little bit of 40 pips of opportunity towards the top. But what I'm looking at is, if I can catch, most probably I may not catch this trade because I'm going to sleep right after uploading this video. So I will then wake up for the New York session, so I may not be able to trade it. But yes, tomorrow in the live stream I think I might be taking sell from 1.09488 or somewhere this zone, because I further see there is one Fibonacci correction left as per the technical strategy of Fibonacci that I have modified. And like for euro, no doubt this much move is very possible. So let's see if we get it from there, or if we get it even from right here, a down move of this much. So if we can get this sell trade, it can go even 171 pips rather than 155. So overall nice and fantastic market. If I see the H1, let's see if there is anything still on the H1. It is like it seems as if it is going to retest 1.09488, and there let's see if we get stopped out with just 80 pips on Wednesday. Don't take it on your heart because it happens. This is it, yes, for the euro dollar for today, unless it is trading above 1.08443. Let me highlight it to you, to the daily traders. 1.08468, somewhere 1.0845. If it is trading above that, yes, it's going back up towards 1.09488, and there we'll decide what we need to do. New Zealand CAD, there is a very nice opportunity that I see, but this might not be useful for day traders. A very nice bottom, and even right here I'm going to trade this one because it is a very fantastic opportunity. Very nice amount of pips. If we see, this is around 272 pips of TP. So yes, I'm going to take a buy position on this one, and let's see, randomly I'm putting my stop at this moment, but tomorrow when I will be analyzing it further, I will be seeing what it gives me further. Aussie dollar, US dollar, it dropped very nicely from the level 0.68816. Make sure to check out my last weekly forex forecast video for the previous period, the week that ended on let me check, the week that ended on uh, 23rd of June. So for that video, for that week, I have an analysis in which I clearly have told you that Aussie dollar standing at a very nice level. So 221 pips it gave. No doubt there is one other level that I'm looking for adding a fresh buy position. So one position I'm taking it from here, and the other obviously I will be taking from here, and stop is going to be 0.64350. so let's see, maybe tomorrow I can close this particular trade, but to me I still think tomorrow it has to be retesting near 0.67816. now if you are someone who want to take some quick profits, the Aussie dollar US dollar standing at the moment can give you some quick profits as well. Plus that level, bigger trades I will be looking for, maybe most probably sell trades, because overall Aussie dollar, this correction might be a bonus, keep that in mind. Overall, to me it seems it's going to give a correction towards 0.65874. Similarly, New Zealand US dollar, we have traded this sell from up there and is in a consolidation zone. So I think I'm already like waiting for this 0.60784 level, and from right here I will be further discussing the markets. For the day traders, I think it's not very ideal for day and intraday markets, but yes, if you can catch a sell from 0.62120, somewhere near closer to that zone, you can get some quick profits from the market. Crude oil, and let's have a look at it. The crude oil moved nicely, no doubt, from right here today, and around 25 pips it gave. So from 67 till 69, so $2 it moved. It is not a very smaller amount for the crude oil. So $2, if the day traders make, that's more than enough. You can put like it depends how many barrels you want to buy, but like even if you buy thousands, so still like even if you buy 100 barrels, let's say, it's like around $200 of profit, like very nice I should say. So still, like crude oil, I'm not going to touch it, and 76 is my level. So I last week closed one trade, so let me add one more today, and this time I'm going to be a bit tight on the stop loss, because maybe on this since after this Friday onward to for 1 or 2 days, I may not be available. So let's see if intraday it gives me good profits. I will be booking it from it, or I will be leaving it till 76 price zone. So this was the daily forex forecast video. I hope you must have like learned these levels and try to focus on these levels, and I am so sure we'll be giving you some nice and decent trade opportunities tomorrow and the day after tomorrow. Obviously, for this entire week, this portfolio, the trade, the instruments that I gave, they will be working very nice. So take care of yourself, be happy, stay happy, be patient, and see you tomorrow in next episode. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.